Hello everyone, welcome in my kitchen today. Today I have brought a very simple fish recipe. The fish is soft from the inside and crispy from the outside. You can prepare it as a snack or as a side dish with your main meal. Everybody in my family loves it, and so will your friends and your guests. They will enjoy it, and it's very, very easy to make. Let's get started. Squeeze half a lemon in a little bowl and add all the dry spices in it. Give it a good stir, mix it well, and then add 1 tablespoon of tomato puree in it. Mix it well again. And then cut your fish into small pieces, small cubes. And marinate the fish with the spice mixture. And I'll leave it for half an hour to marinate. If you have more time, you can keep it in the fridge for longer. It is up to you. Whenever you are ready to cook it, beat 1 egg. Mix salt and chili flakes in it. If you don't have chili flakes, you can use black pepper, white pepper, or chili powder. Now coat the fish in breadcrumbs. And then in the egg mixture. And after that, coat it once again in the breadcrumbs. And then fry the fish pieces in hot oil. When one side of the fish is slightly golden, turn it around. And let it cook on the other side as well. Once both sides are golden, take it out. Your fish is ready to be served and enjoyed. I hope you liked today's very simple and easy to make recipe. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And leave me a comment below, because your comments, your opinion, your views, and your feedback is very important to me. Do subscribe and click the bell icon as well. Share this recipe with your family and friends. And until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.